What you doing, baby? I'm over here, silly, in front of you. Kitty, what you doing? Are you happy on your cardboard? You just don't want your brother to have it. Is this where you used to live? On a piece of cardboard in the street? Thanks, honey.
Yeah. When you're coming up, if you want to bring this and the armrests,
Okay.
that would be awesome. Save me a trip.
Kitty, are you gonna go see what Mummy's doing? Go see. No, you're gonna guard your cardboard. You got yourself a little pillow. What's Mummy doing? Go see. Go see. What's she doing? Kitty.